Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Eventbrite for LinkedIn event promotion and tickets step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Eventbrite website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and password. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. On the Eventbrite homepage, look for the search bar at the top. Type in your desired event or keyword related to LinkedIn promotions. Press the Enter key or click the search icon. Browse through the list of events that appear in the search results. Once you find an event you want to attend, click on its title for more details. On the event page, review the information provided, including date and time. If you wish to attend, look for the Register or Tickets button. Click on the Register or Tickets button to proceed. Choose the type of ticket you want. Fill in any required information for registration. If prompted, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Checkout or Register button to proceed to payment. Enter your payment details if tickets are paid. If the event is free, you may just need to confirm your registration. Once your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email. You can now promote the event on LinkedIn. Return to the main Eventbrite page to find more events if desired. Consider following Eventbrite on LinkedIn for updates on new events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.